I'm using the Krusty's light and fluffy buttermilk pancake mix. This one is the 10-pound bag. Dang, I did not know it was 10 pounds. This is a 10-pound bag. Here's my mixture. I also added, and it's from Great Value, it's a pumpkin pie spice seasoning. I'm using my Presto electric skillet, and I have it on 380. I put a little bit of oil at the bottom of the pan. Let's go ahead and get these cooked up. I have some water boiling for eggs. I'm gonna make some tuna, but I also have these refried beans that we got from Winco, and these refried black beans with spices. I'm gonna make some bean and cheese burritos for the kids. So I ended up adding some green enchilada sauce to it before I put it in the microwave, and I also added seasoning from Kinder's. This is the buttery steak and chop. I put that inside. Microwave it for 2 minutes. It's like ground meat. And I have this cheddar jack cheese from Winco. And put it inside of here and just mix this all up together. So here I have them in my Presto. I'm always using my Presto. The Presto electric skillet, and I just want to, like, you know, kind of put like a little crisp or grill on the other side of it. Let's see. Nothing too crazy. You see how it just gets that like brownness in the back? That's all I'm looking for. Nothing too interesting. See? Yeah. I really want to dance tonight. I really want to. What you want to? Man, lace frames is good. Not tripping. Anyway, this looks pretty cute though. Yeah, that's my whole situation. I'm gonna put it in here when I'm finished. The eggs are boiling. And I'm gonna make some coffee. So I also made some tuna salad. It was my first time, and I'm doing this new thing where, like, if it's my first time, it's my first time, not y'all's. With me, okay? I want to experience things first and then let you know. But tuna salad, pasta salad, that's really where it's at. I also put this Better Goods garlic Caesar dressing and dip. It's so good. This is just so good. I'll definitely show you in the next video how I make it. But yeah, my husband put it in a wrap. That looks so good. Yeah, highly recommend it. This video, I've definitely showed you a couple things that you can make that are quick and easy. But this one for sure, this tops it.